Let's do it.
Everybody get in frame.
We in frame.
No, you're not. You behind me.
No, what's up?
What's up?
You have like a saying that you say?
I do.
Okay, let's do it.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? You gotta do it like the way she do it, bro. Oh, really?
No, you gotta do it with the hand too. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenaba, for those of you who don't know my name, and you can probably tell by the title of the video, you already know what this is gonna be about. I'm back in LA shooting some videos with El Haj, and I can't wait for you guys to see what we're shooting again. I'm pretty much shooting Silani skits, probably some American content, and yeah, just stay tuned. So after we finished shooting for the first half, we just took a little break because everybody was exhausted, okay? Like, we were all tired. And we got some food, and then we just took like a little 5-10 minute walk. After that, went back to finish shooting up some other stuff that we were planning to do for the rest of the day.
A few moments later.
We're pretty much about to shoot some content for El Haj's new brand that's coming out. I'm not sure when he's launching, but I'm excited. All the stuff is pretty dope. He's just doing his modeling gig right now.
Turn a little slower. I got you.
So after I got back to my hotel, I decided that I was gonna rest up a little bit, and then after I got all dressed up and decided to take myself out, because I'm like, girl, you all the way out in LA and you think you about to be sleeping in? No, that's not about to happen. So I called an Uber and I decided to go to this lounge. So the name of the lounge that I was at is called Atmosphere Lounge. It was really cute, a nice little vibe. Only thing I could say was the service was kind of slow. I'm like, bro, you're literally helping me and like 2 other people. Why is it taking so long? But anyways, that's besides the point. Look at me looking all cute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, that was it. I went home. I was tired. So later on that evening, I met up with one of my friends and we went to this restaurant called Chulita. This restaurant was really cute, atmosphere was great, and it's right by Venice Beach. The tacos were amazing. You can order as many tacos as you want, like individual tacos. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like inside. The music was great, food was great, and it was just overall a nice experience. So guys, I'm pretty much about to wait for El Haj to come pick me up so that I can go finish shooting with him. Today's like I feel like today's my last day, but tomorrow I'm supposed to be leaving, but I'm leaving early tomorrow, so it's not really my last day tomorrow. Anyways, long story short, I'm just waiting on El Haj, getting ready. Pretty much all I did yesterday was I walked by Venice Beach, but it was pretty late, so I couldn't really see anything. And then I went to have dinner with one of my friends. Thank you so much for coming out with me. That was really nice of her because I literally don't know anybody here. All the times I've been to California, I've never been to any of the beaches, which is really crazy to me. So yeah, hopefully today we're gonna go and check out this hookah bar called Habibi's. And yeah, I'll let you guys know what else that I do if it's fun, because honestly I don't know what to do here. Like, I don't know the area.
How's it going? Welcome to another vlog. We're here in California with Jenaba, Jahim the creator, official El Haj, and we're creating magic with you. What is your plan for your life? How's your jewelry thing going?
It's fucking amazing.
It's amazing, right? But you also pursue acting now, right?
Hell yeah.
So my best advice if you pursue acting is gotta act.
All right, Phil. That's it for you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this vlog. After we finished shooting, this is later on at night. Look at El Haj being a little fat boy. We ended up going to In-N-Out and called it a night. Bye!
Hey, it's been real. Thanks for hanging out with us. Love, peace, and hair grease.
What?